Good afternoon, my name is María Inés Rodríguez Vargas. Andean region of Colombia. Sentences. In the Andean region of Colombia, people cultivate many foods, including papatos, corn, wheat, and fruits. They also raise many livestock, such as cows and sheep, for meat and meat production in the region. And here is placed a lot of delicious food is prepared by the peasants and taken off the markets. Some arepas are filled with cheese, as every plain along with delicious chocolate or hot drink and share with the family. People consume a lot in the fresh fruits and vegetables, such avocados, mangoes, bananas, tomatoes, onions. Last weekend my cousin baked a delicious cake to share on the cold afternoon. The ajiaco is one of the tropical dishes of the Andean region, which has many ingredients and a good flavor. The meal is of the richest and most consumed foods by people since on the counting many vitamins, nutrients, and calcium. In the mother kitchen there are only wheat leaves, oranges, the which on the breakfast a week. Many products like milk, cheese, and butter are also produced and consumed in the region. A lot of the people come from other regions to share and eat the tropical foods and the region. For the preparation of the mom's favorite recipe, the eggs, flour, and milk are needed. Festival and special occasion of the involve cooking lots of foods, the share with family and friends. The tamale is traditional. This is made from ground filled with meat on the ingredients. A little rice and the good aged milk, but not insects. Many recommended consuming a small portion. The rib roast is one of the tropical dishes of the Andean region with plenty of papatos. It is common to families at the ice cream on weekend char. In families max the sancocho with the fresh foods from the cousins and lots of the steamed corn oats. The cuisine of the Andean region incorporates many species and seasons such as salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, and coriander, the anise flowers. Street food is popular in the Andean region with the light empanadas, crispy pastries filled with the meat, cheese, or vegetables. Thank you.